Hello, my name is Jessica Lee-Jones and I'm the chair of CDPS. I wanted to give you all a brief update on our board meeting that we held earlier today. This is hot off the press. So aside from our usual operational updates, we received a presentation from our new head of comms, Edwina, who touched upon CDPS's work across social media, the website and our recent procurement activities. We noted opportunities to engage with a broader set of stakeholders in Wales, and we've asked Edwina to take away a piece of work to map out the landscape and return this at our board meeting in February. We also discussed board skills and capabilities. Keeping our board members refreshed in terms of their governance skill set and the wider knowledge of the landscape in which CDPS operates is a crucial endeavour. Speaking of landscapes, we also received an update on the progress of the landscape review and the various stakeholder engagement workshops that have taken place between our previous board meeting and the one that we had today. Finally, as you are probably all aware, our wonderful Chief Executive, Sally Meacham, is leaving us at the end of this year, and so we recorded our special thanks for her outstanding contribution to building the organisation to the place where it is today, and we wish her the very best of luck as she moves on. As this was our final board meeting of the year, it remains for me to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a happy and healthy 2022. Diolch yn fawr.